Hi, and welcome back to the QHuman tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple drag and drop sequence test using QHuman. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up a sequence that mimics dragging and dropping a file on your desktop. First things first, let's set up our test environment. On your desktop, create 2 folders and space them about 5 icons apart. Then, right next to the folder on the left, create a new text document. This is the file we'll be dragging and dropping. Before we start recording, we need to tweak a couple of settings in QHuman. You'll need to decide whether to use linear or real-time movements. For this tutorial, I'm opting for real-time movements, so make sure record mouse movement is set to true under the record options and enable real-time mouse movements under the playback options. With that sorted, we're ready to begin recording. Now, pop back to the simple click page and click on Record Event. Go ahead and click and drag the text document from where it is over to the left of the right folder. As you do this, you'll notice that mouse move actions and click actions are being logged in the track path window. Once you've moved the file, stop the recording. Then, just move the text document back to its original spot so we can test the sequence in a bit. To make things clearer, you can add a note to the sequence, something like drag text document to the right. It's a handy way to remind yourself what the action does. Next, right-click on the sequence and select View to check out the actions we've recorded. Since we enabled mouse movements, you'll see both mouse move actions and click actions. We don't really need the last movement action where we return to QHuman to stop the recording. So let's delete that by selecting the action and pressing the delete key. That takes us back to the sequence editor. Just to make sure everything's neat and tidy, head back to the action editor to confirm that the unnecessary action has been deleted. Back in the sequence editor, we'll leave the control settings as they are, since they're not crucial for this test. Now, click on Run All Events. And there you have it. QHuman has replayed our drag and drop actions perfectly, and the file has moved to the right of the folder. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to perform a drag and drop sequence using QHuman. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more QHuman tutorials. If you'd like to chat about QHuman or connect with other community members, feel free to join our Discord server at the link below. See you in the next video.